In this video, I'll be soldering a 3/4 inch copper female adapter to a 3/4 inch copper pipe. And you can see here the tools I'll be using. Now using the 4-in-1 tool to clean the outside of the copper pipe. Needs to be shiny. Now here I'm using my deburring tool to debur the inside of the pipe. Take out all those shavings. Now I'm using the wire brush on this tool to clean the inside. Preparation is important. Everything should be clean in order to have a greater success of coming up with a good joint. And here, of course, I'm cleaning the inside of the 3/4 inch female fitting. And this is actually going to go on my water heater on the hot water side. Kind of rusted away. Very slow leak on it, but I thought I'd replace it. And of course here I'm applying the lead-free flux to both the fitting, inside the fitting and outside the copper pipe. And joining these together here, make sure it's all the way in, and then I'm cleaning the excess flux. This is my torch using MAP gas here, or MAP Pro to be more specific. Okay, so I heat it up and then I touch the solder to it to see if it's ready to melt. Not ready yet, so I give it some more heat. And there we go, it's starting to melt. A little bit more heat, but the flux is beginning to suck in the solder. And it should go all the way around, that is the section. Then I'm going to let it cool, actually let it cool for about 5 to 7 minutes or so. And then I came back to clean it with a cloth and water. There you have the finished product. The solder seems to have gone all the way around. Of course, when I screw it into the water heater nipple, I know for sure. Thanks for watching.